In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily reduce the file size of any PDF without losing any quality. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step is that you want to go over to your Chrome browser. Once you're in your Chrome browser, what you're going to do now is you're going to search for PDF file reducer no quality loss. So search for that, and once you do that, click on any of these websites, but I would recommend you click on this website called PDF24 tools. So click on this website right over here and then choose the file you'd like to reduce. So it's going to give me the option to pick the file I want to reduce. So I'm just going to click on the media option right over there, and then that's going to take you to your files. Go over to your documents. Once in your documents, select the document you'd like to reduce the file size. In this case, I want to reduce the file size of this document right over here. So once I do that, it's going to load. Once it's done loading, I'm just going to click on the compress option right over there. So as you can see, the document has been reduced from 7 megabytes to 2 kilobytes. So that's how you can easily reduce the file size of any PDF without losing quality. So as you can see, I can easily click on the download button, and this should download the compressed PDF. So that's how you can easily reduce the file size of any PDF without losing any quality. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.